First thing we're gonna draw is to see where we're gonna put the eyebrows. So this is the eyebrows, and this is would be the area for the eye. And come down this way. Okay, think about the angle of the line. When you draw a line, there's just two different things that you need to think about when you're starting the drawing. And one is, what's the direction of the line? Second thing is, how long is that line? Right? So that's the line. And you want to think about between the two lines and how close the distance between these two lines together. Okay. Focus when you look at the area, looking at it, and do the comparisons. Okay. And then you put the eye blacks right in these locations, and have a little bit of highlight over here, and the whole eye black is pretty dark. Okay, corner right here. Okay, we just defined the shape. And there's a little bit thicker right under the eyelid. The line is a little bit thicker than just one line. You want to think about how thick that line would be. Okay, come down here. And there is another area over here coming that directions. And I'm gonna also mark down how thick is that shape. Okay, I think this is much closer, so I'm gonna move it down this way. So this is the first step for this demonstrations, as showing how the shape would compose together for this drawing. So the next thing, I'm going to use the charcoal stick to fill in the value. So let's take a look. I'm going to fill in this side, a little bit darker shape. Okay, the whole thing over here a little darker. Here a little darker, and here a little darker, and just quickly applying some value to those areas. And here is very dark area. Okay, that's a bit darker, and here too. Yeah, dark too. So next, what I'm gonna do, I just apply to blocking those areas supposed to have darker value. So what I'm gonna do next, I can use a piece of tissues, or I sometimes, most of the time, actually use my finger, but I'm gonna use the tissues to blend it in, like from darker to lighter with the motion. But when I blend, I try to blend it in the same direction as the motion of the surface. And in here, much darker. I'm gonna keep the highlight over there. And here, it's a little bit darker. Now we're almost there. We just need a little punch, a little lift. I'm gonna make a little line here, a little darker line. Okay, a little darker line. Here, I need to add the line back here. Now we are move a little. Let's move the line this way. And now add the darker areas right in the center of the circle. And just much darker on this side. Make it darker right there. And then here have a little small triangle. A little bit darker over there, and adding a little darker shade right here, and complete the shape of this side of the circle. And I need to add a little bit darker value, represent down here. Okay, I think this is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna just render in over here, and then that's a little softer, and a little softer over here. And the eyebrows, I'm gonna just represent some of the motion of the hair. Quickly soften it. I think here has a little bit come in a little, but I need to soften a little bit like that.